Hello everyone. In this video I will discuss about that IUPAC name of the following unsaturated alcohols. That means this one. Okay. This IUPAC name. That means IUPAC. Okay. This question came in this year 2021 in SLAT. Okay, SLAT NE. That means Northeast. That Assam. Assam SLAT. This one came very easy one. So so many option is there, that means 4 options. Which option is correct? Okay, so first of all, see, you can find out. Okay, this one is one number. Okay, the numbering start from this side. Okay, numbering start from this side. Why not this side? Because in this side, see, this one is one number. In one number position, this is alcohol, alcohol group. This is functional group. So one number here, 1 2 3 4. Okay, now you can see in one number position, you have to find out that R and S. After that you can find out E, Z. Okay, this one. So first of all, R or S, which one? Here. So numbering in this carbon, and this carbon is called chiral carbon. This carbon is called what? This carbon is called chiral carbon. Chiral carbon. Okay, chiral carbon. So here this carbon directly attached with, this oxygen. So this one is one number. This carbon directly attached with phenyl group. So this one is 2 number. And this carbon directly attached with another carbon. This is 3 number, and this is 4 number. Now rotation, see, 1 2 3 4, like this, clockwise rotation. Okay, clockwise rotation. And all of you know that formula, that one, and one box is there like this. You have to make one box. This is okay. This is serial number. Okay, serial number 1 2 3 4, and here R S, and here S R. Now like this you can draw one table. This is clockwise. Okay, clockwise rotation. This one is clockwise rotation, and this one is anti-clockwise rotation. This one is anti-clockwise rotation. Now this rotation, see, this rotation 1 2 3 4, like this rotation, like clockwise rotation. So if clockwise, then clockwise. Okay, and serial number, this one is above the plane. This is one number. Above the plane, this above the plane, one number. So you can see serial number 1, this is R. Okay, above the plane, and this one is serial number 1. So this one is R. This one number carbon is R configuration. Okay, this one is R configuration. Understood? Though this one also called front roll. That means this first, you can consider this one, this front side. That means above the plane, this above the plane you can consider. If one, then if one and clockwise rotation, so serial number 1 and clockwise rotation, then you can write R. R is rectus and S is sinister. Understood? Rectus, clockwise direction, clockwise rotation. Okay, this one. So 1 R. Okay, then now this 2 number position, this 2 number, see, here this one, this side, and here. Okay, so this one is this side is, suppose this whole one is one group, and this one is another group. So this group and this group, see, bigger group is opposite side. Say here hydrogen is there, here also hydrogen. Okay, bigger group is opposite side, or this hydrogen is opposite side. So you can call this one is Z. If bigger group or this one bigger group or same group is opposite side, so you can tell this one is what? Z. Okay, Z or E. Okay, this one. That means if bigger group is opposite side, this one is bigger according to this group. This part is okay. Now you can consider this one, carbon carbon double bond. Okay, this side is carbon is there, and this side also carbon, and this group phenyl group, OH group, hydrogen also. So bigger group opposite side. So you can tell this one is E. Okay, E is opposite side. So how to find out C? Briefly I explain here. So C double bond C here. Suppose this one is A, this one also A, and this one B, and this one B. Okay, see, same group, that means this group and this group, same group is opposite sides, that means NT. So you can tell this one is E. If same group C double bond C, this one same group, same side, same group, then same atom, same group or same atoms, same side, then you have to, this is same group and same side, this is same group same side. So you can consider as a Z. This is Z. If opposite same group is opposite side, then same group or bigger group, same group or bigger group, then opposite side, then E. So this one is 2E, 2E. Okay, after that this 1 number position is what? 1 number position is phenyl. First, that 1 number position is phenyl, so you can write 1 phenyl. In 2 number position, this one is what? In double bond is this, carbon carbon double bond, 2 number position. So 2 butene, then bond. Okay, 2 butene, 2 butene bond 1 in 1 number position. Now is 1 number position, this OH all, 1 all, like this. That means, can I write here 1 R comma 2 E, 1 phenyl, 2 butene, 1 all. Okay, sorry, here this N not E not there. Okay, this one is correct IUPAC name, IUPAC, like this. Okay, like this have to find it. So from here you can learn, that means RS, how to find out R and how to find out S. Then EZ also. R is what? Rectus. This is Latin or Latin word. Okay, this one rectus and sinister, like this. Okay, if rectus, then clockwise direction. If anti-clockwise, then this is sinister. Understood? So this one is IUPAC name. So many example is there. Okay, in next video I will discuss briefly that one. Again this topic I will discuss. Okay, that chiral, which one is chiral carbon, then R, S, E, Z, the sign entry. Okay, this one also. Then another one is DL. Okay, so thank you, and please subscribe my channels for upcoming videos.